Hello arty peoples, and welcome to another episode of Jerry's Live. And today I have a really fun class planned. We are going to be going over water soluble oils and how to start a painting with them. What I wanted to do with today's class is paint my amazing dog. I did actually print, if I hold this up, I printed this image of Lola at the exact same size as my canvas. If you are a beginner and you have a hard time sizing things up or down, this is a really good trick, just so you can actually make sure that you are not having to scale anything via your eye or having to measure or anything like that. This kind of takes the guesswork out of it, which is nice and easy. But right now, I'm using still a nice thin layer of oil, so it's still thinned down with water. And I'm actually using my brush kind of like I were drawing with charcoal. So her ear is kind of around here. I'm gonna say it's there-ish, is the top of her head. She's got some very funny ears. And if I don't get it in the exact spot that it needs to be, I'm not going to be upset. It's okay. Just to kind of expedite things so you guys can see where this is going, I'm going to add in a little bit of the titanium white, and I'm going to use the same brush. Again, it breaks down with water so easily, but I'm going to start making those other tones that I'm going to need. Again, this is just like drawing with charcoal, where you just want the grayscale. That's all you have to worry about. Even though the actual painting is going to end up being a fully colored and rendered thing, for this stage right now, I'm only worried about the gray tones, which is why this process is so great for anybody who's just beginning and kind of tiptoeing into the realm of oil painting.